It start, it start, it start. It start to rust. Me say it start, it start, it start. Me say it start to rust. What's up, Speak My Mind people? What's up? Them could even wait till this morning. Them start from last night. But you don't know. We did don't prepare for it and know them did go come out. And you know, it seems like them they have not much to say, but they don't know them have to find things to say. So we are gonna get in it. Yeah man, it start, it start, it start. It start to Rastaja. But we don't prepare for it, you know. So Speak My Mind people, wanna know what to do? Continue to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and remember to hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Remember to watch the ads. Continue to support the backup channel. Life is a Mission TV. People, if you're not subscribed yet, run go subscribe. Life is a Mission TV. That's my second channel. Refreshing moments over there. Family oriented. We talk about, you know, we have drama over there. We talk about you know, entertainment. You get a little newscast, and your outdoor and your indoor cook vlogs, you know, with the adventure part of the channel to come. You name it. Commentary and all. Everything over there. It's just refreshing. And we have a live. Oh, people remember, live later. You know, me have about three interesting things I really want to talk about when I see happen over the weekend leading up to this week. And as you know, I never do no Sunday festive live, so live later, it's a must, no doubt about it, unless something come up otherwise. But for now, live later. So who not subscribe yet, just run go subscribe over there. Life is a Mission TV. Alright? And people, I want to make it be my first of gaining 1,000 likes on a video. I want to help my people to gain 1,000 likes on a video. That's a milestone I've never yet done. I got 5, 6, 7, but I never reach 1,000 likes on a video. You see the video I dropped yesterday, despite I was so overexcited and overwhelmed by what really happened, I can't miscalculate. I calculate right, but I just project out the sum in the wrong way. Because to me I say 10 fives are 50, I come out as 50,000, but it was 5,000, right? And even when I go back and check, it was 14 person in all. It's just that 3 never included, which is Tats Baby, Dana, and Joshi. So it was 11 person who get $500 a piece. One of them double, which is Paula. So that end up to be 6,000 US dollars. So my bad, when I said 50,000, I say everybody, I say it in the comment, but I recognize it at the start of the video. I kind of recognize it and stuff when I listen to the video one at a time after I post it. Then I see the whole comment come in, and I did, you know, because I have to kind of respond to majority of who know with even the same answer or whatsoever, just to make it spread, that I realize that I project the wrong amount of, you know, mischeck. Now, as I said, not to be mischeck, you know, bring across the sum of 50,000 when it's supposed to be 5,000. So we clear up that. But I want to make that video reach 1,000. Give me 1,000 likes on that video there. But I see it at one at a time. The last look I look, it's 958 likes. I mean, no, no phone is still not like the video yet. So if you don't like the video yet, just go again, click on the video and like the video. Help the video to reach 1,000 likes. That would be a milestone for me. First time ever reach 1,000 likes on a video. Anyway, people, as you want to know, oh, I remember the cash app pin in the comment section. You know, that time a month is coming up. You want to know when you not give me, but just give it back to the needy. Alright? And I don't know, a fraction I go towards enhancing the next channel for, you know, get the adventure part of that channel off the ground. And Life with Gabby and Chevy, YouTube link pin in the comment section. Give her a subscription. And the dollars not the PayPal, the Cash App is $ Life is a Mission TV. People, I don't know if anybody has come out, but I didn't know Cause you know, T-girl, she have a little delay reaction to her. Sometimes she just run out same time, same day. So wait till all a day or two after. But Roachy Curly, she quick for run out. Quick for run out. Yes man. Quick for run out. She not take a second for run out once she get the story. So she run out last night. Never really interested in her last night neither still. But this morning I get up and I realize she come out again having her breakfast. The everyday story about this oatmeal and one bag of chicken. Because she frightened, you know. Because she never ever used to eat such healthy breakfast when she there at Woodland Village away to her name. So she are so, you know, and I thought about if she have to buy these nuts and this, you know, money to the cost and wait. Like if she go to a supermarket and buy the nuts them, all the nuts that she identified that is in the oatmeal, she gonna use it one time. So she differentiate the price of having that meal of porridge now and buying it. So when you buy a supermarket, you're not gonna have multiple use of it. And based on how you use it serve you longer. But through your greedy still you might just use it off. Anyway, I could get into the video because she come out in this video and say she Dana follow. At the same time she said she give Dana advice. What kind of advice you give Dana? For carry Josh go Devon House, Emancipation Park. Eh? And that the advice you give her? And she Dana follow because through Dana she carry or how much people go on cruise. When you count how much people actually same people, them amount of people may carry on the cruise, you know. Why you always want to size up? And why that you want to use and size up? And plus, I never you pay for all those people that you carry on the cruise. They have to fit their own expense. So what you talking about? What you talking about? Eh? What you talking about? They fit their own expense. They don't fit all the expense here. Then have time to sit down and follow you. When I back where you go back where and somebody follow you and you not see them coming in your way, them going away from you. If they're not there follow you, so should I go? But I forward than I go, so she come so. And left you round there, so that's why you're jealous. People no listen to her.
The last night, no year me come here. I talk about the woman going a place for birthday and I speak English. And they have motive her phone. Me just pass over YouTube and hear she talk. But then the last night me come over here, I talk. You see Marcia, and then the woman come over here when me I give advice. And the woman come over here come say me a bully. Talk truth people. Well, the last night, when me come over here, cause the last night. Eh? You see Marcia when Marcia say something? Huh? You see? How them take it neck, you see everything when me come on social media.
What have you said last night? And it happened this morning. Or it happened between last night when you say what you say to this morning to what Dana said. Dana did come tell you nobody thief her phone? Did Dana come and tell you that no one thief her phone? Eh? More than Dana mistakenly leave the phone misplaced. Nobody no thief the woman's phone. Nobody no grab her phone. Nobody no grab her bag. So what are you saying? Continue talk, and I have it your fear, you know. It put on your fear.
Huh? You see?
But you give advice.
You see?
You can give an advice about Panama.
Yes, what?
How can you give an advice about Panama? And Panama, I'm probably Curacao, is probably our first place she ever traveled outside of Jamaica. When she had do her little ignorance. She thought, I don't know, she thought that who follow her, she thought that over and over. She called her the names of the persons where she and them used to go to Curacao and Panama go shopping. You understand? So how can you give somebody advice? We go Panama multiple times and go Panama during the time when Panama wasn't like now. Because the criminals were out in their numbers because they know people were coming from all over the Caribbean come to Panama to come and shop. So they know values is always out there with these visitors because them always go travel with them money them back for go do them shopping. So them used to pre the people them. Dana know all of that. She have told you that this morning in her life, this morning. So she know all of them something a long time. But you come now, and your advice, Dana I work with. And you're going like say, you did predict say, yes, them are got thief phone. You're gone and talking about speaking language. Speaking language. So everybody who got Panama speak Panama or Spanish them speak or French. Spanish I think. Speak Spanish. Hmm? None of Colors crew. Colors Cara crew all my intention just the same as probably Dana or a little less. And none of them don't know nothing. Colors are even probably younger person than Dana. And more into social media and technology more than Dana. And at one point, him never know say him could have Google to translate. You understand what I say to you? So whatever apps you talk about, oh, see, don't you ever know that you have apps that you can download and translate. When you go translate and transfer the roads and the bug them will follow you all over you go. Go transfer the bug them and the roads them will follow you all about you go.
And this man come over, oh, let me come off your page. Because you're a bully. Veronica, what did I say? What was I said last night in my video? Telling her about that country.
Well, you can tell somebody about a country where them go over 9 times. 8, 9 times.
I don't have to tell her nothing.
I don't think you have traveled to Panama 5 times yet. And Dana gone over 8 times now. Because she tell us she go to Panama over 8 times back in the days when she go do a little hustling and she used to igla. You understand? She have told you that. So this now might be 8 to 9 times. So why you can't tell somebody about it? We'll tell you the history about Panama before Panama being the Panama it is now.
My face look fresh and nice in the glass. Didn't I give her advice last night? Unno say me a wicked and me hate the girl. Eh? Me no say me a wicked and me hate the girl. Last night when I was speaking, didn't I give her didn't I come up here and tell her about that place? She lucky see her in the back then grab. Me then go long down go Skylaugh down there. You see thing about it now, me live in America. Me have people from there. Me have a good friend where her daughter, her son married to a daughter, married to a girl from there. And she go there all the time. That's my good friend.
You know people everywhere, all of Mars and Jupiter, you know people.
Pretty, but you have
and you have family.
News.
A Saturn.
Sometimes you Caribbean people don't watch news and watch certain talk show and certain things where come on TV. You don't want to watch gossiping. So yes, I said I was giving her advice about that. They gave her them teeth down there, and they must watch them drink with them and them.
So what has been stolen? What has been stolen? Tell social media what has been stolen. Then they come tell us them thief her phone? More than she misplaced her phone? That would be her negligence. You understand? And the person she is, and the person who has been covered so much by the Almighty, for this place where you are talking about so much, and the history of this place, and the iffy and the knowing, where all these people what Dana were speaking to, you know, during the procedure of getting back the phone and try to get to here, there, and everywhere, and the little iffy where them did a gear about getting back the phone. And she get back the phone, that only to show you how covered she is. But at the same time, the woman never come out come tell us nobody stole her phone or grab her phone. She leave her, she misplace her phone, her negligence. Alright? So don't come spread no rumor to make yourself look good. Like, okay, I was giving you advice and your people them jump on my platform and your people them this and your people them that. But I mean, I tell you, you know.
When them walk my road, them money and them papa cock off handbag. Cause them ride bike and grab it. It's them the
yes, miss know it all. Swift. You always know it all for others and know it for yourself.
Stick you up with joke you with a knife and take you and gone.
You always can't predict what happen for people, you can't predict for yourself.
First of all, I got a place where speak English. little English. You can't go a place and not study English. Once you, first of all, these people going to foreign country.
You can't go a place and not study English. You can't. You saw them stay? You saw them stay? And she repeat it and not catch up, say she has said the wrong thing. But as I say, you see, what I want to know, if everybody who fly to a country, a French speaking country, a Spanish speaking country, a Latin speaking country, a Flatna speaking country, or whatsoever country, if all of them speak English or try to speak the language that the country where them are going to speak, how much people come to Jamaica, visit here, multiple amount of people who don't speak English, but they still visit here. It's simple. You get a tour guide who speaks the language of the country and your country. You get a, and this is why most people learn multiple language in school. So if them go in a French speaking country, them can't speak French. If them go in a Spanish speaking country, them can't speak Spanish. And these are the three main language people try to learn: French, Spanish, and English. So if you speak Spanish or you speak French, people try to learn English. And if you're an English person and you speak English, you try to learn Spanish or you try to learn French. Because those three languages used straight across the world.
Them not up to the time. The app is on your phone. To download it.
Oh, you mean teach them, yes, Marcia, because them don't know nothing. Look at you.
In Spanish, and it translates in English. So people that just take up yourself and go to a foreign country. They have a app, honey. They have a app on your phone. They have a app on your.
You're in a social media, and there are so many things that on phone in a social media, and you, where, you know, to enhance your channel and enhance this and enhance that in a social media so long, that you have to call people at England, she's Duisha, to help you. You call, when Duisha go around you say you call your friend like a 14-year-old or 16-year-old daughter and she help you. Why you couldn't help yourself in a phone so long? And all the apps and all the information are in Google, as we used to. So why you couldn't use Google to do all this? And everything everybody are gonna know. And everything everybody are interested in. Me can't be a man where me a walk and me a chop down tree with me cutlass. And a man have the easier way than using a cutlass or a chainsaw where him can tell you, say, just go so boom and sprinkle this pan it, man. And I may never know. But him know. But him interested for know. Me not interested for know. Me want to continue to use my cutlass. You understand? Simple as that. How many things you have to call all of England that you and Louis have in a problem? Do man like a 14, 16-year-old daughter where you said, she set up this and she set up that. Why you never know? Are you in a social media long before she born? You know about computer and gazette long before she born. You only can give people advice.
Phone. You see, them some uno just come on social media for fast.
Just like you.
But they're not taking out the important things as traveling to foreign country. They have a app for different languages. They download the app and you're speaking at it and tell somebody what you say. But instead of taking time out to get these things, people take the time to what? Show off and get themselves into what? Trouble.
So automatically, you know, she are trying to say a show off, 99 a show off when she run down to Panama. 99 can't do nothing good for her, you know. 99 follow her and carry the same amount of numbers down to Panama upon trip as the same numbers where she carry upon her cruise. But there was a difference if so be the case. 99 fit all the bills. You couldn't even fit your own bill upon the cruise. Thanks to autumn, winter and summer. So there's a big difference there. Your numbers was just the same because I know you have fit the bill, because for the day alone, probably a year alone I want somebody or two. So you see the big difference? So what you talking about? You love to compare with the woman. You don't see that the woman is far ahead of you. And if you not see the world, see. And if the world not see social media space right here, so see. So how can you compare with somebody where everybody see, say, is far, far, far ahead of you? Stop compare yourself with the woman. You are nowhere there. And I know you're surprised to see that this woman gone so far ahead of you. Because you basically when she come into social media, you meet her in Canada, you in yourself have yourself ahead of she. Because one, she don't have a US visa. Two, she don't have a black book or a blue book. Three, she have not traveled the world. Four, she have not gone on any cruise. Five, she have not gone on any resort across the world. Yes. So because you were doing all that for other people's expense, at that time you feel like you were ahead of her. But you did see the platform what she have, how supportive and big it is. You did see where you could exploit her in using her platform to move ahead and go forward. But because of your filthy dirty ways where you have, and you can't wait to no turn, what you do, you get bad mind where the woman is concerned and start bad mind the woman. And the first wrong move that you made, the first wrong move you made was when the woman sent her pudding. I don't quite remember if I guess, man, it was pudding. Send her pudding to you to sell. Not sending, you asked for her to send the pudding to sell. And when the woman send her pudding come give for sell, and you see the demands for the pudding, you know what you do after you sell the first batch of pudding? We're going to show no bad mind on it is. You know what you did when you sell the first batch of pudding? You did not request another set of pudding. Remember now, it was in demand. And you see how it was in demand. And how people are gobble it up and wobble it up. And how the US dollar them are dropping in your hand feet. Without any question of the cost or the price. You get ready eye. Red eye. And you tell the woman say, you're not going to sell no more. Take no more from her. You know what you do? Because I know you beat them. Because you can't cook like that. It has been proven to me say you can't cook like that. I'm dying for you get this apartment or what you want. And have your kitchen where you can cook and show. But then again, cook and show me food in a plate is different from the taste of the food. You know? Presentation and looks of food is not what really count. That on the gravity, make your eye gravitate to it. But at the taste. Because the presentation and the looks are enough food. When you taste it, it not taste good. But if a presentation and looks alone, yes. So you get somebody to bake some pudding for you. And right upon the woman wave with fear first set of pudding them what she did bake. And go out they go start sell pudding. It never lasts long. Because no clean heart and pure mind never in it, so it never lasts long. And probably the people them catch up say, I know the nyam bad this tastes too good. And nyam bad them want. Them no want taste good. Them want nyam bad. So them no support you. Like when you did have the nyam bad, so you did have it up. That was the first mistake and bad mind we have against the woman. After wanting to use her platform to exploit her, to ride her wave, to enhance yourself. You understand? And then you go so boom, and you walk with the store or port more. And you expect the planker wave. Yeah, you expect the planker wave. For the little cheap dollar store where they do open over Portmore. And for weeks and days, you can't see your way out. Because the planker them say your heart not clean. From early before then I even see it. Because one thing, you know, you see the planker them, then come like rat. Rat is very sensitive, you know. A rat can stay over this yard and smell food 4 yards away. And tell you, notice until you buck up a rat or a mice. Are you serious? You think a righteous part in there must send? As far as him can send. So the plank of them sent you out long time. So that's why the planker them never give you the planker wave, because that was what you're looking for, and to that not happen now. All hell broke loose. All hell broke loose. Then the whole birthday situation now. When the planker them come out for you, not really come out for you. The planker them come on your platform, can't wait to see them queen. Because the queen supposed to attend your birthday. And the queen wasn't going live. So the anxiety of the plankers then couldn't wait. So because you were on live, them join your live. And probably that was the toughest you ever have on a live. For somebody will say you have a big platform for much years. And what happened? You get so frustrated and disgust with them depend. We're done there. You almost cuss somewhere and a clot. You almost tell Dana, poor Dana, I don't know where I go on. You almost use that opportunity to explode and tell Dana about her hand underneath and her over underneath and her cross beneath. You understand? And the will of God make you never have the real outburst about your behavior was not right. I am not saying they should be on your platform asking for Dana, them know Dana go live, them should have wait, yes. But the anxiety of the plankers waiting to see them queen, them want to know if something happen. So you could have dealt with it a little better. But because you have that whole anger in you know, it's like you just give yourself more chance, on top of chance with the whole pudding thing and the whole shop thing. You just give yourself chance to see if things are going to work. And that's so. Just seal up everything. Like when you have one hole and you patch it with cement. Yes, man. But the planker them did sense you a long time, woman. We know long time say your heart wasn't with the woman. We know you were trying to ride her wave. Exploit her with her platform where your sister she have, where is so supportive of her. That's what you did want to do, and it not work out for you. Because remember at the end of the day, you know, the plankers and them have the last say she's just the queen. She's just a leader for the platform. But at the end of the day, as me tell you, if she come out and she said she beg $3 million for get that little pitney, and only now feel a little pitney, she won't get the $3 million. Yes, she might have few people that donate, but the donation come small. And she might have to come up, boy, I see something, boy, I see it, I feel like one, I see it. But me I beg on man. Just help her and make it, we just done with it and done. And then we see a couple of people come in, or she have a couple of donors where she can take up her phone and say, help me with that one. Because you see it's stunted. Me see it. And they might still come in half-hearted and say, alright, if they would have give 100, them give 50. You understand what I said to you? So basically, the powers where you see she have, it did want to exploit to push yourself forward. But bad mind and corruption no work. Dirty yard can't sweep with broom. No farmer detergent or Dettol or Jays can't clean up phone or dirty yard. A God have to clean up phone or dirty yard, and God has no time for spare to look for uno. You understand? Simple as that.
That's all. I was planning to go to birthday, my 50th birthday. I was planning to go to where my friend there. She went to Ethiopia. We're planning to go to one small island.
And Dana didn't know say you plan for go small island. That's why she run go small island. Yes, man.
And big up yourself, Shaman.
You love compare yourself with the woman and I look at you, so.
Mexico. We're going to Mexico, but we're going to the popular area.
What is your point?
In last
What's your
February.
point? You did Did. You haven't. You did.
But when we did our research, we went on YouTube. We went on YouTube and we watched videos of people talking about where we were going. And we realized that it wasn't what I wanted for my birthday. First of all, the beaches them wasn't so good. Only by mosquito.
So people, from me I grew me I hear about Israel. Two things. Where the Bible is concerned and where fear is concerned. Not the same somebody I want to go Israel just one day. And how much bad things you have heard about Israel. When you come tell me say because Israel in the Bible says a good place. And so many people say Israel is one of the worst places to go. Certain part of Israel. And just as in any country, you have places in certain country where you can go and comfortable. In Panama, once you're in the city areas, you don't have nothing to worry about. It's when you go in the indulgent areas. Like where probably Dana said she used to go for rent some little tabernacle when she used to do Iglar in them time there. Wasn't these tortuous hotels. You understand what I say? So every country have them little cribbits and corner where them little things that go. If you find yourself there, it's your problem. So anything you want for research, if it's not going to a country, is to research the areas of that country where certain violence take place. So you know you stay away from there, you go to the part that there is less violence because violence is everywhere. So when you try to say, like you come now to give Dana advice as you always come on your platform and talk and say advice you give. And when the woman have her plans, long time and do what she do. You say I hear advice the woman take. People want chuck a start up there now. May I ease off a little bit.
And so then we buy some dreams. Own service wasn't good. So we check out all of them sort of something there. That it was a lot of mosquito. There was a lot of riding on bicycle. And a whole heap of different thing. And we said, we don't want to go there so. Figure ride on bicycle to get where we are go. Mosquito and the beach kind of little whatever it is. But it's beautiful. We said no. So then we were trying to get a mansion in Florida. But it happened that the day when we wanted for birthday, it was sold out. That's what
big shot to a mansion.
You rent a mansion. It's
cheaper. Size up, you know. In all of us share do size up.
What if you're going to the mansion? And everybody pay their money. And it's cheaper. So if a $2,000
and in sizing up, she talk about things that she did plan to do and want to do. At the same time, you know, a size she try size up for mansion.
Party and have a big dinner in their dining room. So poor people are getting the opportunity now to go in mansions where they've never set foot in. And the American girls them nowadays, they taking the opportunity there. Them all are rented for weddings. A whole heap of wedding that take place in a mansion. Yes, but they support. So let me tell you something, country. You have to download your app. And when you go into this country, you can plan quick. Take your book and you go on YouTube and study the basic of the ask question. You study something like you say.
So with 99 doing nothing like this, will this spoil her trip? Will this stop her trip? Will this stop her from enjoy herself, she and her team? Come on, let me hear you say something. May I wait for you? With all the way you try to say, because you're making it look like, okay, you're the one who is giving her advice. You're an advisor. So all of this are going to stop her trip?
I need help. No officer that in the language. Where is the airport? Simple things like that. Call a taxi. Call the police. You have to do those things in a.
You see? Yes, it's good to know that you can do that for yourself. There's an app, you download the app and read. But as I said, I know everybody have that mindset there. The mindset when me have you not have it. The mindset you have me might not have it. But when me I say things gone past that right now, all you need is a tour guide that can speak both language. So they translate to me, and me, when me talk, they translate to the next person. That's all you need. And I would say probably if 99 never do that, that is what she should have done. You know, get hooked up with somebody, like even probably a travel agent or so them could get a taxi tour guide that could connect to her, you know, that can speak both language. Did you know that there's a lot of Jamaica living in Panama right now who is also tour guides? Why do you say Gisbert go up there and it's a Jamaican that they carry him around? You understand? So it is simple. Because when the Panama Canal are making up, the whole heap of Jamaican where they go over there and from other different countries where they go over there. No, for the Jamaican, them nobody come back home. Them live there. But as I said, things gone past, to all you have to do is get a Jamaica, get a tour guide, a taxi tour guide, you know, where other person there carry you to any designated area where you want to go to carry you out. So they speak both language. So it gone past that way you talk about apps now.
In there. Unless you travel with somebody who is speaking. You understand? Simple things like that you have to write down. How one book or in even go on your when me find out information, you know, when me go on TikTok and reel and me see some valid information what people are talking about and something. You know what me do? Me transfer it in my backup name. In a WhatsApp. Me have one part where me care all me.
People, do you know that you can see information? So for instance, Google an information. And in Googling that information, you just still don't know how to apply that information. You still have to go and get somebody individually to apply that information for you or show you how to apply that information. Even farms. You can go at the passport office, you can go at the American embassy, the Canadian embassy, you can go at an entity to get a job and them give you an application form. And when you look on the form, there is things, information there that you're supposed to fill out. But to all it put in writing on the form, you don't know what to do. You don't know what to go there. And it is so simple. The same thing if you go there, so you fill out a form 2 weeks ago where probably the embassy, the passport office are a different entity. And the same thing where you fill out in that space are the same thing you fill out there, so. But guess what? It's all them translate the section, or them translate the word there, where them put there then. You understand? For you to say, okay, next of skin. We all know what is next of skin. But you might go somewhere else and get a different farm, and then instead of put next of skin, then put something else. And you don't understand that. So you have to get somebody to show you that, man. So it is easier than if you go up on Google. What is egg sandwich in Spanish? And Google says, Google, what is egg sandwich in English? Egg sandwich. You as a Spanish person could still not know what it is, you know. Alright, me know. Basically, you have to look on your phone. Because when you say Google, sometimes Google give you give you audio of the information that you're asking for, and the next time you don't get any audio. So you're gonna have to read now when you read. What is the egg sandwich in Spanish? Alright, then I go so now and take up the phone and say, Google, what is egg sandwich in Spanish? Google don't say egg sandwich in Spanish is blah, 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 blah. So watch it now. She goes so boom and I look and I read. She can't know and understand what is on the phone. To even say, boy, she'll go to the counter and say, give me an egg sandwich in Spanish. Because remember now, you know, she never get nothing verbal. You understand? No audio no come up, as I say. Sometimes audio come up, sometimes no audio no come up. Who use Google can tell you that, you know. You can talk to that, you know. Sometimes you Google something, you get audio for some things, and some things you don't get no audio. You have to just read. So what better way to get a person to do all that for you instead of using Google? Just like you, as you say, you can't use computer, but you have a laptop for how long? Why do you see you go downstairs? If you go check the front desk operator to show you all kind of things. And the woman probably tell her, say, that is too much for me to do right now. And I have my work to do. The woman tell you certain things that she can't do and she can't, you have to do this and you can't do it yourself. But here still, you buy a laptop and have it so long. You understand? That's how life come on.
So anything important and then I put it. So if me find some information, I just paste and copy it right in there. So if I could learn one language.
You paste and copy something where you don't understand?
I'm telling you.
So what is the sense but I paste and copy it? It don't make no sense. This is what I'm saying. You Google it, you get the answer, you paste and copy it. But you don't understand it. It don't make no sense.
When you go across Europe, so you have to concentrate on what you do. You depend, what did you say? Ivas Koloko Vehiculu. Once you have to think quick.
You can't make the woman look no way lower than where you want she make be. Because what? This happen all over around the world. All over around the world. So we don't see a point.
You have to listen quickly. When you see trains up going, you sulukuvuku kuliki. And them say, Jukuluku. You have to, can they not speak English? They ain't speaking no English on the train when they drive. Not targeted English. You have to listen carefully as the train gonna left you. So once them circle your map, you're going to look at your map and you're going to count. Say, alright then, it's stopping at Lukuvuku Vaka Vaka. Alright, you hear say Lukuvuku Vaka Vaka. Alright, you count it. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stop. You look on the map and you draw. You look on the little dot them. And so you can look on the little dot them. And you say, okay, this time it has stop at Luxembourg. You can't tell the people when they go on them birthday. You know, say, I follow me if you go a foreign country for your birthday.
Follow if you go a foreign country for your birthday.
You know, see the same amount of number. She take that care of her birthday just like my number do. You know, she say, I follow fashion monkey in a boiled good soup. That's what she asking when she follow fashion. Because she would Jamaica pretty in her blood.
So she want to compare and size up with the woman, and she the woman and follow. You understand? Same numbers of people, and she want to show off with a foreign country. If the woman they go and look a common place, you'd have come say, oh, the woman go common place, see her birthday, and she rich and she have money. You understand? If the woman go on normal, common place, usual place in a Jamaica, you see one that come say, oh, she go on like she rich and she have money. And them the place that she go for her big birthday, big 50th birthday. Them the birthday, they have big celebration. You never see say a gala me keep, you never see say a cruise make up on, and you don't want to compare. Now the woman see it fit, where she have one of her best cake season. One of the predicts to say she not gonna sell enough cake this year because her cake sale gone down and her fan base gone down, and you know see she not get no whole heap of views, and her people them gone left her. You know see them not donate no money to her. On the predict her season for be one of the worst season, and it be one of the best season because she did tell you know. Because remember they don't have her books you know. Where hard them come in you know. Who will tell if harder no start coming for next year already. You understand? And these people are no fluke. It's not like these people are just making order to make trouble. They are no fluke. So basically she have her order so she know what is going to take place before it happens. We don't say down the line somebody can cancel or somebody can say, okay, cut the order because X, Y, Z. But you have an idea. Okay. And all of your friends them and who you have, we have big website and have business and have it to running by the books. And it legal and it fegal and all kind of things. Not have them they simply they organize. You understand? them talk off a word of mouth. People tell them, say, okay, we're going to expand your business and we're going to bring you in Canada, XYZ, and them come and go and like say all is good.
And they could have what you could get discount from Grand Buyer and Carl Spring Hotel and Jamaica Grand and them place there. And go up in the year with them and name the Bickle. Go at them the life they have to live. The pussy glad them the life that they have Panama.
Going to Grand this and that at Jamaica, I stock up something like that. When tourists come to Jamaica, them not enjoy Jamaica when them going to all of them all inclusive there. Because the only thing about the all inclusive, you might be a little bit more secure. One. Two, you have this luxurious place to go around. Pool and you can just go buffet style and eat. But that is not exploring Jamaica. Because the hotel and the tour guys just keep you in one little stuck up circle. You need to explore Jamaica. You need to come in the streets of Jamaica to explore Jamaica. In the same video, you speak about knowing history and knowing this and knowing that when you go to a next man country and ray. But listen what you are saying. Dana if you go in and go stuck up in a hotel. She have done that over and over. This is her 50th birthday and she go in a hotel down there so not talk about it. Say she couldn't go to Cayman, she couldn't go to Panama, she couldn't go Yasso, she couldn't go there. So, but now she do it is still a problem too. You know. What she going to do for suit? You know? Nothing at all but to suit herself.
Then could I go to Aruba?
More if you go down, go lie down in our resort if I any fun that.
The Bigfoot woman country. She could have told them.
Okay, people, right here, so she take on 13. Already, because she had tried to say, so wait, so then I couldn't come, I curious her, I met the Bigfoot man, be our tour guide and carry her around. She take on 13, she take the opportunity as if to take on 13. You see how she attack low, hold on, the truck a gas up, and if I move it, I go move. I want to hear her because she attacking her soft voice. I don't know if at 13 she don't want to hear the truck a move. Hold on, people.
Hey, she could have locked them out. But to her ass, glad, what a piece of embarrassment.
Oh,
yeah? You dirty rascal, come and take up the girl.
Oh, embarrassment come in there, so. True, the woman got curious, so. She embarrassed 13. Look at what other supporters she have all over in a different country. She have Crystal Ossie in Trinidad. She not could have got Trinidad, so she embarrassed Crystal Ossie. She have what people all over. Yo!
And girl, this your country, I got a place.
That is so important.
Corso. And so she could have got some big foot.
Corso is spelled with a K.
Fear. And Pierre. Uh-huh. Well, she got in a country and a big foot up there and cook fear every day. And there's some other choose. Girl, next time, you should have. What can I choose? Bigfoot Island. No, sir. You're going to Panama. Habla español? Come esta la Vicky? Ajá. That would help. Because Bigfoot could have carried him around and get some money to buy Bigfoot for Sunday in him. Uh-huh. Yes, my dear. Yeah, uh-huh. But, I said, no, sir. What a piece of this? What a piece of this? So Bigfoot never have no visa for travel go Panama to speak no English because first of all which part she did them speak French, you know. And like Spanish, you know, so Bigfoot could have translate for them. You fucker you. You fucker you tap come on social media come cuss off people for people. Because you've been cussing off people for that woman for how much months down and years down and she never take the island to come. Not
so if somebody the case a whole heap of way I cuss off people for her. She never take me. She never take a whole heap of people. And there's a lot of people in other countries who wanna say a cuss her. She not go there. How much country she can go so at a time? How much country she can go so at a time? You just come chat. The same thing will come out of your ass and it will come on social media come chat.
even invite you on a ass trip, you fucker, you in important.
Wipe your mouth, man.
Not even enjoy where your visa there. Where your passport if you go to island. Not even, you can't even skip from blood clot island to island. Kupani sa somebody go anywhere you want to go. You can stop. You can stop that lady. Make up page, man.
Somebody run up in our comment.
Let me ask you a question. Make up page, man. Eh? All Walking Dead. Make up page, man. All Walking Dead. Let me eat me lovely.
Somebody run up in your comment, you rat idiot.
Talk to me intellectual people them.
Oh, you mean big word,
Let me
intellectual?
talk to me good intellectual people.
Oh, you mean call it again? Can you get that one there right?
Come on, page.
Call it again, intellectual.
Come on, I'm going to business. You not gonna work. You don't know work for you.
Ask yourself the same
What kind of work you
question.
do? Huh?
The person them that work right now look over 7 kids if you want to work. So boy, do that
Who
trailer
are
there,
you
man.
talking to, Curly? I am 54, just like you, and I look better than you. Well, you look better than me. That is an understatement. When you see you, and let us put on our clothes, and let us do a physical exercise, and do some modeling, and see who win. You understand? Looking better than me and being happier and feeling better is totally different thing. And having confidence is totally different thing, honey. There's a lot of people out there look better than me in a body. No doubt, for 50 years old. Look better than me in body form. But not in the mind. Not in the spirit.
Yeah.
Not happy.
Yeah.
And no self-esteem. Yeah?
All of the above what you just call, are you that? Low self-esteem, you're unhappy. This the only thing what you say, the spirit, which is a bad spirit. You don't have no good spirit in you. You understand? So the only one that would have clarified. But everything what you say is the opposite of you. You understand?
You guys can talk about me. And me must talk about anything. And what I'm talking about is the facts. What I'm talking about is the facts when it comes to information or what I'm saying. None of you can put my style for me. We've been there, done that. You understand?
You hear jealousy? Which part in a way the woman a do, she a pop style pan her? No way. The woman never remember you. Been there, done that. Not at your expense. And if you've been there, done that, you're never ready for done that. You were forced to done that. Because, as me say, you were traveling and people expense all around the world. It's like a man who get a body pass. You get a charity pass. Autumn, winter, summer. Recently, me hear about Nadine who pay her rent from Aruba. Look on a small country like Aruba now. Jamaica actually can, Kingston, Aruba can well come right in that space here, at Kingston, and wall. And somebody did it so after that first world country where you boast over every day. You understand what I say to you? That somebody have to do Aruba pay a year rent and a finance you. When me hear allegedly, I don't sure. Because I have no facts, but I have to just talk. What I hear. At times some things you talk it, because you know the type of person where you deal with is that type of person who love freeness and handout. Don't want to work hard. And then them tell you about years of service so them work hard and bend back and this and that and what you get from the years of service. You understand? But been there, done that. Right now, Joshua have more flight hours than you. Where you say, do man for carry Emancipation Park and Devon House. For the last 6 months, the man have more flight hours than you. We been there, done that. You done that, but you were forced to done that.
No one can pop no style for me.
You know how long you know have a flight out
come,
America?
And I was giving some advice in a certain way. And we were just talking. And one woman come here and say she going on my page because me a bully. When I was giving advice. I wake up this morning just to see the similarity of what I was saying. It happens.
Similarity. I say you like your free advice to people
So
when
that's
I look
why
at you.
I came and elaborate on it. You come down and compare where somebody can go from where they can go, from where they can go, from where they can go. Put some picture from last year. Birthday, big sexy legs and nice body, honey. Sam. So, you have the picture here? What are you talking about? So just to give you an idea, if me ever lose 130-40 pounds, me sex in her ass clot.
What she just say, if she ever lose 130-40 pounds, she sexy? Right now, as me say, me no want to see your skeleton. Me would even want to put you through the x-ray machine where them would look and see the whole of your, to see all inside of your intestine and your organs and your settings. Because that the fright the way me I go have the doctor say, or the radiologist or the theologist or the theologist say, look in here and look at your auntie. And I look, I say, no, that's not my auntie. What? Mother frightened. If you lose 30-40 pounds, you're that sex. Not even scarecrow that look like a you. Don't say that.
Me must elaborate, man. You not get no fame off of me this morning. You understand? That is what drives you crazy. That when I give advice, something happens. Or when I give advice, the same somebody who know what your customer for, say me bad man her. Every time I come out here and give advice, you take it.
What is advice, people? Me never want to Google it. Me go in the old time black and white days. Me go in one dictionary soon and see what the meaning of advice. This woman come on her phone under the decoy way and speak things that she want to be. You know, just speak things into existence that she want to happen. You understand? And then come and say she do advice. And when I say speak things into advice, so she want to happen, you know. She want things to happen in the bad way. But she come and she put it out there in a way like as she said, she giving advice. But it's the opposite of what she is speaking, she want to say happen. So for instance, she is speaking about she giving advice. Oh, protect yourself because this country, this country, that, and you can't go to the handbag. Yes, she is saying that. That's what she is putting out there. But that's not what she want to happen. She want 99 go out there with her handbag and she here tomorrow morning, 99 come on life, come say them grab her handbag. That's what she want. No advice, man. You can't play a fool for catch wise here.
She take it, and I'm sure that she's listening to me right now and she's going to be more
Don't have time
cautious
for you?
Of her trip, whatever day she have there. Because she listen to me.
Right now, if you was the only toilet right now, a Panama and Dana don't eat them the Panamanian food there. I want defecate. Should I refuse to use your face?
You understand? That's what
so
you're
Dana
doing.
don't remember you.
And you are the one who bad man. Me not a bad man nobody. That's one thing. Because me a traveler. Me a travel from me 16 years old up until to the day of my life.
All you can do is
so
brag over nothing at all. What you have to show.
Some of my Caribbean,
see all those stuff you talk about.
When me go on cruise, me touch all 3-4 Caribbean one time before me come back on cruise. You understand? Me don't get the opportunity to go stay in them hotel and me see the importance of their country. Because when you go to Caribbean island, you need to see the importance. That's why, in no matter if,
you see what me just said to you a while ago? But yes, she want Dana to go stuck up in a hotel. A sandals and grand bear wait one name. You understand? Which part the woman live at Jamaica, the one man want to go to a road, go explore a different country, and she see it fit this year for the cake season. Want to send over there go on good. Go on so good that she can use some of the money and take out her staff. I know they will come out, you know. But I know they never have nothing much to say, but you know, I got build something to say. Yes man, the next one waiting and she to issue not come out already.
Matter if you stay there or not as a tourist. Going to somebody
you chop some music in the far distance and me.
Part.
I have nothing to do with it.
That is what your vacation is all about. So listen to me, tell me about Caribbean because I've been on cruise and touched several Caribbean. And the more
people may close after video in my room. I go in and make a tattoo or close after video because I can't, in the last part of the video I and YouTube have a problem with that music the way I blow.
Visiting a Caribbean island is to know of their history and their origin. And that is the experience that I get. So when I walk off those cruise and go on those trips,
right, them a tune up a
and
sound.
go to my excursions, I am going to the most important part that you as Jamaican, you don't even know about Jamaica. The white people them know about.
Seven brother, seven different mind. Or you think you expect everybody to think the same way like you? Eh? You get up and think to be oatless and end up oatless, stagnant. You don't want everybody to think like you? People out there say the same thing. Why I'm glad me never think like how she thinking of her days after the America for 40 odd years and I fly from she has 16 to country and way. But glad me not be like she. Yeah, people out there say that know about you, you know. Everybody can't be the same. Seven brother, seven different mind. All when them are twin.
Jamaica. You Jamaican we born down there don't know the history of Jamaica and know a lot of stuff.
And not that we are hide. We all know that. You know, come on to come tell nobody. 3/4 Jamaicans don't know the and I know the history. We know the history. Some of we just fail to learn it. It's not the history we don't know. 3/4 of us don't explore our own country and know about certain things in our country. And you know the reason for that? It is too expensive to do so for us Jamaican. You understand what I say to you? So that's why Uno, not you. The visitors, the tourists know more than us most of the time because them see some part of Jamaica where we will never ever live to see we're born here. Because they come here as tourists to explore, so them have their money, so them pay their money, them pop out them credit card, and it's no problem. We can't afford it. You understand what I say to you? So there's a lot of places in Jamaica where we will never live ever to see. You understand? So it's not about history, because your history, you can learn your history by going on phone, as you said earlier, on Google, and other people tell you. So what you chat? Foolishness. We all know that.
So no bother with it. No come tell me nothing. Me a traveler, no tell me shit.
All of that don't know.
So it no matter if you go there and you spend 2 weeks there, if you
probably next year them time you're gonna fly all now. We need to normally fly all 4 or 5 times already, different countries.
How it was formed, the history of it, what happened and what everything. That is the most important part of going to some of the Caribbean islands. You understand? And number one, eating their food. Because everybody go to Jamaica for what? For yam the food. Everybody go to Jamaica for what? For go to the beach. Everybody go to Jamaica for what? Party. Those are the 3 elements right there. Food, beach, and party. When a tourist go to Jamaica, they go where? What they going to Jamaica for? What is the most important they go to Jamaica for? Relaxation. Beach. I go to resort.
Okay. So when the tourists come to Jamaica, they want to come here for the beach, the sun, and relaxation. But when we as Jamaican go to different countries as tourists, we figure learn the history. You see how you contradict yourself? Further on that you say no. Then if you go to places in the countries, you can learn the history of the country. When you go to other people's country, you must go and learn the history. But when them come here for just sun and relaxation and the hotel. Okay. You just start one bag of shit all the while and then realize where you contradict yourself.
Some of those tourists, they don't move.
Dan and our crew gone to Panama, them are tourists, you know. Oh, so Dan have to go search out the history of Panama. But when people come here, them just come here for sun, and party, some of them. Okay. That's just what the luxurious hotel have to offer.
Not even excursion, them no go on. Them no move. You know what they every day? Right to the poolside.
Listen how she contradict herself, you know.
See them food, yeah?
With what she said earlier on, you know.
See them plate.
Contradiction, this, you know.
Them no come out.
Anyway, people, I didn't run that video any further. I shouldn't have gone so far. Just thanks for watching again. Bless upon yourself, all on the new subscriber. Welcome to the channel. Great things going over here, so you know, no care how serious it is, we will get a little laughter. Just me that, you know. So we don't make things look too serious, all when it's serious. We bring it across and we make you laugh and smile in between. Alright? Some want to drink on a coffee and choke, someone roll off on the bed as well and say, someone on the boss here and ball out and laugh out and all kind of thing. So now just do the do. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. Alright? Cash up pin in the comment section. $ Life is a Mission TV. And remember the Young Entrepreneur YouTube channel in my description. Hit the subscription and give her a subscription. Alright? Big up on yourself. Thanks again. All new subscriber, tune in. If you're not subscribed yet to Life is a Mission TV, run go over there. Live later, people. You know, some little disturbing topic later, and you know, something where you know look good also. So come over later. Life is a Mission TV at 9:30 live.